Hello everyone. My memory is just crazy. It goes down very fast. I'm getting really sad and angry. Sorry about that. Here's our model. It's all blue. Bluish. Blue, 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 blue. It might actually supposed to be on here. With it like this. I think that's how it works, unfortunately, but I hate it like that. I just rip it off. That's all I do. So I can take it wherever I want without anything attached to it. Because that makes more sense. That means I can move it wherever. It's better. It's better. That is the Southwest box. Oh well. The max limit of my recording right now is 4 minutes and 54 seconds. So I must end this before that time. It's going to have to end before that exact time. Yeah. Alright. I kind of thought the Southwest one was bigger than that. Yeah, I know. I know it goes out the windows. Yeah, look at these big winglets. I can see this better on camera than in real life. Yeah. Okay, we should talk about my airports. So it's going at the gate, going at the gate, going at the gate. Yep, it's at the gate. This is the season of my models. This is a season. Here's the Central Airport. We have a runway. We have first. Oops. Gateway. Alright, so I fixed the gateway. This is American Airlines with the gateway as an American Airlines sticker on the gateway. There's airline stickers on each gateway. They all match. Here we have Delta, 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 Delta. Delta 717 with the Delta sticker. And this, oops, the gateway is tipped over. Yep. Next we have the 747-400 with the, they do not match airlines. That would be the next one. I know it's kind of weird. Oops, airplane.